Hey there, vinyl enthusiasts! Welcome back to From Raw to Ready, where we dive deep into the world of music and the magical medium that is vinyl. I'm your host, and today we're going on a journey from start to finish to discover how vinyl records are made. From the initial recording to the final product spinning on your turntable, each step is a fascinating blend of art, science, and meticulous craftsmanship. So grab your favorite album, sit back, and let's get into it. How vinyl records are made. The process of making a vinyl record begins long before the vinyl is even pressed. It starts in the recording studio, where the music is captured and mastered. Let's break it down step by step. Recording and mastering. First up, recording. In the studio, artists and bands work with producers and sound engineers to capture their music. This can be done using analog tape or digital recording equipment. The goal here is to get the best possible sound quality. But recording is just the beginning. Once the music is recorded, it needs to be mixed and mastered. Mixing involves balancing all the individual tracks, vocals, instruments, effects, so they sound cohesive. The engineer adjusts levels, panning, and effects to create the final mix. Then comes mastering, which is a critical step for vinyl. Mastering optimizes the final mix for playback on vinyl, ensuring the best possible sound quality. The mastering engineer uses specialized equipment to fine-tune the audio. For vinyl, the key is to manage the dynamic range and frequency response, ensuring that the music will translate well to the vinyl format. After mastering, the final audio is transferred to a lacquer disc. Cutting the lacquer. Now let's talk about the lacquer. The lacquer disc is a smooth aluminum disc coated with a layer of lacquer. This is where the grooves will be cut. The cutting engineer uses a lathe to cut the grooves into the lacquer, translating the audio signal into a physical form. The cutting lathe has a stylus that vibrates with the audio signal, etching the groove into the lacquer. This process is incredibly precise, as the grooves must accurately represent the audio signal. The result is a lacquer master, also known as an acetate, which serves as the template for the pressing process. Creating the metal stamper. Once the lacquer master is cut, it undergoes a process called electroforming to create a metal stamper. This involves coating the lacquer with a layer of silver, followed by a nickel bath. The nickel adheres to the silver, creating a durable metal negative of the lacquer master. This metal negative, called the father, is used to create mothers and stampers. The mothers are positive copies of the original lacquer, and the stampers are negative copies used in the pressing process. This step ensures that the delicate grooves of the original lacquer are preserved and can be reproduced consistently. Pressing the vinyl. Now we get to the heart of the process, pressing the vinyl. Vinyl pellets are heated and melted into a puck, known as a biscuit, which is placed between the stampers in a hydraulic press. The press applies heat and pressure, molding the biscuit into a vinyl record with grooves on both sides. The excess vinyl, called flash, is trimmed off, and the record is cooled and inspected for quality. This process is repeated for each record, ensuring consistency and quality. Quality control is crucial. Each record is visually inspected and sampled for audio quality. Any defects, such as warps or surface noise, are identified, and the records are either fixed or discarded. Packaging and distribution. Finally, the records are cleaned, sleeved, and packaged. The packaging process includes inserting the records into inner sleeves, placing them in their album covers, and shrink-wrapping them for protection. The finished records are then boxed up and shipped to distributors, stores, and directly to you, the listener. Each step in this process is crucial to ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality and ready for you to enjoy. And there you have it. From the initial recording to the moment it arrives at your door, making a vinyl record is a detailed and intricate process. It's a true labor of love, combining artistry and technical precision. So the next time you drop the needle on your favorite album, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of vinyl production. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of music. Until next time, keep spinning those records. Q&A or fun facts. Hey there, still here? Great! Let's do a quick Q&A and share some fun facts about vinyl records. Did you know that the world's first commercial vinyl record was produced in 1948 by Columbia Records? And here's a fun one. The longest playing vinyl record in terms of runtime is The Rise and Fall of Bossa Nova by PC Third, which lasts over 13 hours. All right, let's answer a few questions from our viewers. First question, why do some records sound better than others? Great question! It often comes down to the quality of the original recording, the mastering process, and the pressing quality. High-quality equipment and materials also make a big difference. That's it for today. Keep those questions coming and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.